Okay, so this question is from June 21, variant 5.2. This is question number 6. The first two parts are typical, so I'm not solving those first two parts. It's the third part that bothers everyone because this is a new idea that came up in 2021, and the way it's solved in the marking scheme is a little tricky because it sort of distorts the concepts that we've learned. तो इस क्वेश्चन को करने के लिए what I'm suggesting is कि since this question is about probability, okay, what the marking scheme shows you is just to calculate combinations like this and like that, which is a little problematic because we've learned कि identical चीज़ों के combinations इस तरह नहीं निकलते. सही है? So the better way that I sort of thought of doing this was through using probabilities like we used to do in probability distributions, जहाँ हम green और red pens और वो सब select कर रहे होते थे. उस तरीके से अगर मैं करूँगा तो ये क्वेश्चन जो है वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा आसानी से समझ आ जाएगा उसकी वर्किंग. सही, इट्स नॉट दैट द क्वेश्चन विल बिकम ईजियर बट वर्किंग समझ आ जाएगी. ओके, सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज दैट देयर आर 3 O's, there are 2 R's, and there are other letters which are also 3. So I have a total of 8 letters. When I say that I want to select the probability of at least 1 O and at least 1 R, what I mean is I mean different cases because 5 marks and the different cases to honge. I can have 1 O, 1 R, and I can have 2 others. I can have 1 O, I can have 2 R's, and I can have 1 other letter. I can also have 2 O's, I can have 1 R, and I have any other letter. I can have 2 O's and I can have 2 R's, and I can also have 3 O's and I can have 1 R. These are the 5 cases that satisfy the above criteria. इसके अलावा कोई केस नहीं हो सकते. मैं अभी इसकी probability निकालूंगा. अब what do I mean when I say I can use the probability method? What I'm saying is कि I have 3 O's and I want to select 1 O. So probability of O getting selected is 3 out of 8. There are 2 R's. One of the letters already got selected. So the probability of selecting the next R is 2 over 7. Then any others is 3 over 6 and 2 over 5. And then I'm going to say that the letters can be selected in any order, so the O can get selected later on. So I'm going to say that this becomes 4 factorial, and since I've written any 2 other letters, so I'm going to divide by 2 factorial. ये हमने करना सीखा था probability distributions में, जहाँ हम green marbles, red marbles, green pens और इस तरह select कर रहे होते थे. 3 over 8, 2 over 7, 1 over 6, and then 3 over 5 into 4 factorial, 2 R's के लिए divided by 2 factorial. 3 over 8, 2 over 7, 2 over 6 for the R, and 3 over 5 for any other. Again 4 factorial, 2 O हैं तो divide by 2 factorial. 3 over 8, 2 over 7, 2 over 6, 1 over 5, 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. 3 over 8, 2 over 7, 1 over 6. 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial. If you add all of these up, calculate all of them and add all of them up, they give you 50 over 70. You can check the answer and let me know if that's correct.